Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will know how to install Kali Linux here. To install that, go to your browser. Mine is Chrome browser, it's opening. Yeah, it's open, then type kali.org. You will also get link in the description. Then go to download sections and don't download net under. Don't go to the net under. Go to Kali Linux. Yeah. And I would like to download 64-bit. Yeah. If you have low specs, then you can go to 32-bit. But I don't want to download that from Chrome. I want to install from torrent, so I will cancel the full GB. I will install the torrent version and I will install it from the torrent because I like it. I will open the torrent and the installation begins. You installing 97%. It takes some time. Yeah, then when it is showing that seeding, then please don't wait for it, cancel it, and open your Rufus. After opening Rufus, then select your ISO image which you have installed recently. Yeah, this is your ISO image. Open it. Yeah, and select your partition scheme. Mine is the MBI. You can have GPT. So you have to check from it. If you want to check back me on Instagram, yeah, and I will tell you the way. So now leave another settings as default and start it as, then write in DD image. Please don't write in as image because you may have so many errors and it is writing. So it takes some time. You have to build up patience. Yeah, it's downloading. Oh, it's writing. Means then close it. Then here I would like to check. Yeah, it's installed. You have to turn off your PC and open it. Yeah, it's opening. Then press your boot key. Then you can find your boot key on Google. Yeah. Go to USB HDD generic master storage. Then choose the graphics install because it is nice. It's GUI. Some something is coming, but I don't know why this is coming, but it's coming. Then select your language, English of course. Then select your location. You can choose anything. You can choose any country and configure the keyboard. You have to choose American English or whether you are from. Loading additional components. What I would like to tell you something. You have to build a patience because if you turn off your computer at this moment, then you might have a problem. Then go to no because I don't know what the use of that. Without this, your computer runs smoothly. And one and you connect to Wi-Fi. And sorry for that noise which comes recently. Then put your password. I don't want to show you my password because my neighbors also watch this video. Then they will get my password. It is attempting that our password is right or wrong. Mine is wrong, so it's confused. Then choose the host name. I villain, so I will choose my host name to villain. Then villain, then also villain. Domain name also villain. You can choose yours, huh? Then full name. My full name equals to villain. Everything villain. Yeah. Username also villain. Then choose a strong password. Eh? I would like to make my password so strong. A combination of addition is all thing, which makes my password harder to guess. And then again re-enter your password to verify that, and put your same password which you have. You can choose anything on your clock. You can change from the date and time in the settings. Then go to manual. Don't use or huh? Now you have to delete all the partition. I've already use Kali Linux, so I have all things, but I wanna delete. Then you in Kali Linux you have to make a swipe area. It's not like Windows, so you have to make a swipe area. I would like to give 10 GB at the swipe area private beginning. Use as swipe area. Yeah, bootable flag on. Down setting of the partition and other. Then I like to give 290 GB primary beginning and let it as default. And don't stream of the partition look again. Oh wait, I would like to give 100 GB. Yeah, primary done setting of the partition. And if you want to make another, then you have to choose logical, because in ambient type you can choose, you can make more than 3 partitions on primary. Yeah? So choose logical if you want to make 4 partition or many more. But I don't want that 4 partitions, so I will delete it and put it on my third partition, that storage to primary. And that's done. So you have to finish that, then continue. And yes, because you have turn right, you have to right and right. Yeah, my god, installing the base system, it will take so much time, bro. You can't imagine. I am so much irritated, frustrated. I can't explain it, bro. Installing the base system will take so much time. Please don't switch off, because if you will switch off, then your computer have so much problem from it, because you have recently deleted your hardware. Now choose all software to install. Tick all. And select all. And please don't turn off your computer, because you have recently deleted your hard disk, so your operating system has also deleted. You are installing that, so please make patience. It can take more than 1 hour, 2 hour. Sometimes my friends say it take my 5 hours. Then choose your GDM3 display manager. I will suggest you. You can choose anyone, but I love GDM3, the display manager, because in the light DM I have so much problems. I didn't understand anything. So GDM3, let it install. Yeah, installing. Do you know what kind of feeling I am getting while using that camera? Its movement, if my hand is its stabilizer, if you are group bootloader, then the SDA, yeah, installing the group bootloader. And while choosing that, you have to choose that dev STA, dev/STA and something. Please choose that, because if you choose manual, you will get so much problem. And if you go in the down sections, then you will also get problems. So please go to dev USB SDA SSS. No, dev SDA. Yeah. And finishing the installation, you 90% completed. You have installed your Kali Linux. It will take sometimes. And guys, if there is any sound coming off my background, then please ignore it, guys. Please ignore it. Oh, guys, this is taking so much time. Yeah, I know you can't handle your patience. You can't handle this patience, because if I know you are new to that operating system, your has completed work, has your hard work, your patience. Now it's installing. It will restart. Then after restart, then your account will show here. This will take some time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Then that's come. Then read. Then type a password. Yeah. After voting, congratulations, guys! You have installed it successfully. Bye, guys. We will meet in our next video. Thanks for